Hello students and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn the basics of photosynthesis. These are the objectives of this video. At the end of the lesson, pupils should be able to explain the process of photosynthesis and know how photosynthesis works and explain the importance of photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is a plant's method of producing its own food. It utilizes sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to craft a special sugar known as glucose. This entire process takes place in the plant's green parts, such as its leaves. Next, what do plants need for photosynthesis? Sunlight. Sunlight serves as the primary source of energy for plants. And next, water. Plants need water to mix with the carbon dioxide and sunlight. Next, plants need chlorophyll. Chlorophyll captures the sunlight and helps turn it into food. Then, carbon dioxide. Plants require carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. How does photosynthesis work? Chlorophyll absorbs the energy from the sun, combining it with carbon dioxide and water to create oxygen. This process transforms raw materials into sugar or glucose. Glucose is food for the plant. Another byproduct of photosynthesis is the synthesis of oxygen. Why is photosynthesis important? Important of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is important because it produces oxygen. Oxygen is vital for all living organisms to breathe. It also serves as the foundation of the food chain as it provides the primary source of energy for plants and subsequently for herbivores and carnivores. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something new today.